What happens when the pressure to be great starts hunting you? Hi everyone, this is Mara from the Chef Network, and today we're talking about The Bear Season 3, Episode 5, where ghosts of the past and present push the team to their limits. So Carmi is obsessed with perfecting his latest dish while Sydney and Marcus bond over loss. So meanwhile, Richie scrambles to prepare for a photographer, but a missing duck dish throws everything into chaos. So Sugar stands her ground when a cost analysis suggesting cutting Marcus, proving that Bear isn't just a restaurant, it's a family. And as Carmi stumbles upon old family photos, it's clear the past is never really behind him. Is Carmi holding everything together, or is he losing himself in the process? So let me know in the comments. On to episode 6.